Hello बच्चों, let's look into this question. In this question, we are told that if x4 minus 8x cube plus 14x square plus 8x is less than 15, then x into root of 6 plus root of 6, and a typical expression can assume how many integer values. Please understand here, they have not asked you x, 3x, anything like that. They have given you an expression and asked you how many integer values that expression can get. Okay, so let's solve this question. So let me change the color of the pen. So first of all, the biquadratic expression x square x to the 4 minus 8x cube plus 14x square plus 8x minus 15, we'll have to factorize this expression. Now typically what I will do is I will eliminate, I'll try to form pairs of factors so that the process becomes a little easier. So I can write x4 minus 8x cube minus 15x square, or rather plus 15x square minus x square plus 8x minus 15, that is less than 0. This typically helps me make the factors easy. Now I can write it like x square minus 1 and x square minus 8x plus 15 less than 0. This can be very well written as x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 3, hold on, x minus 3 into x minus 5 less than 0. Now at this point you can actually plot them also in a number line, but obviously, I mean, because there are quite a few numbers, so we'll do that in the last part. Let us try to understand what is this expression x into root of 6 plus root of 6 plus root of 6 till infinite terms will be. So I can pretty much say that, let's suppose 6 plus root over 6 plus root over 6 plus dot 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 till infinity equals to y. I can assume this thing. Now I want to square. If I square the terms, I'll get y square is equal to 6 plus y, because root over this thing will get vanished, and this string of numbers can be written as y. In other words, I can say y square minus y minus 6 will be equals to 0. This implies this is a quadratic expression. Now this will be y minus 3 and y plus 2, that is equals to 0. This implies that y has to be equals to 3. Now please pay attention, y can only be 3 because this is a the expressions are all inside the root, so y cannot be equals to minus 2. So this is one idea that I will always keep with me. At this point, this typically boils down as y is equal to 3x, or I can say how many values 3x can assume. So at this point I can write 3x in the range minus 3 to 3, and I can also say the range for 3x is from 9 to 15. Now 3x can assume how many values in this range? In this range 3x can assume total of 10 values, 10 integer values. Alright, so this is a theta question. So the answer to this question will be 10. I hope you understood this well. Thank you.